Okay, so we have this function f of x equals log base 2 of cosecant x. Find the derivative. First thing you should kind of notice here is that you have what we would call nested functions. We have the function of cosecant x kind of nested inside this log base 2 of x. So everything we need to do this problem is going to be located on that calculus cheat sheet, which is in the first module on Canvas. So we first need to write down what is the chain rule, or we need to review what the chain rule is. And then we really just need to know what the derivative of a log is and the derivative of cosecant is. So if we look at the cheat sheet, I think this is the second page. This is the third page. So about halfway down, you'll see that they have the basic derivative rules, and we have the chain rule here. So if I'm taking the derivative of a nested function, g of x is contained inside f of x here, then it's just going to be the derivative of the outer function, and we leave the inside alone. Then we're going to multiply by the derivative of the inside function. Okay, so the outside function here is this log base 2 of x, of cosecant. So here we can think of this as the outer function. I will write this as, I guess I could have left that as, we'll just say is h of x. The outer function is going to be log base 2 of x. The inner function, we'll call that g of x, is going to be cosecant x. So I'm going to differentiate the outer function, but leave the inside the way it is. So differentiate a log, it's down here. It's just going to be 1 over the thing the log is of times the ln of the base. So this is going to be 1 over x, which in this case is cosecant x, times the ln of the base. I guess I can write it like this, times ln of 2. That's the derivative of the outside, leaving the inside the way it is, multiplied by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant x cotangent x. So this is times, so I can move this over. Yep. Times negative cosecant x cotangent x. I don't expect you to memorize, especially the trig rules and the log derivatives. So you really need to you should print out the cheat sheet and keep it with you when you're doing these kinds of problems, because you will have to reference it. So here I have cosecant on top, cosecant on bottom. So that will cross out with that. So it looks like it's going to clean up a little bit. I'm left with negative cotangent x over ln of 2. And that is going to be your derivative.